Good morning, friends. So today I am here with you to prepare Kerala paratha. So I have taken just 250 grams of maida. I have an egg, and now I will put some salt, the required salt, and I am putting a spoon of sugar. Not a spoon, I think I'll limit it to half a spoon. Now I will mix it up. So after giving a thorough mix only, I will add the water. Now I'll pour some oil on top of it and allow it to rest for some time. You can even add butter, but since I have run out of supplies, I am putting oil. You can put oil also. I'll allow it to rest. See, you can see this is a very small ball. This will make only 4 small paratha. Put a wet cloth and allow it to rest for half an hour. I have kept the ingredients ready for egg curry. This is a typical Kerala style, what you find in the hotels, Kerala hotels egg curry, which is served along with Kerala paratha. So the onions have to be chopped long. Then I have some tomatoes, I have crushed ginger and garlic, then the masalas. So let's start. Ingredients, in fact, pepper and saunf, the fennel seeds. This I will dry roast it and powder it. I have put coconut oil. You can put any other oil you like. And put the onions. So I am going to fry it until golden brown. This curry reminds me of a hotelier, a lady. In my mother's village, get out the bus stand and there used to be the small hotel. In Malayalam we say Tattukada. So she would be there, and this lady, I remember this, she was the only one. Like, she would do the cleaning, giving the food, to the cooking. So it was a one woman enterprise. So as I was cutting the onions, I could remember her curry where the onions used to be really long and visible in the curry. And so this curry is coming out of that memory actually. So I want to make it a real typical Tattukada Kerala style egg curry for the Kerala paratha. Point, let me add the ginger garlic crushed. So let it blend along with this onion. Add turmeric powder. See, this order is the secret in cooking. I feel I have done in all ways. I'll put all the, if you put turmeric first and give it a mix and it gets fried, the smell goes. The next what should go in is coriander powder. If you follow this order, it makes a lot of difference. I have seen that personally, because these two powders need a little extra frying. And last, the chili powder, because that should not get fried for long, as it will lose its red color. I don't like it very spicy. Otherwise, you can even add up to 1.5 spoons of chili powder. But I would prefer it this way, because again I have to add the pepper. So I have to keep that in mind. I'm adding in the tomatoes. I will add this Besom pepper powder. This is my secret taste ingredient for the egg. You can always notice egg will taste better with pepper and fennel seeds. I will also add a bit of the garam masala, not too much, but since the other spices also should come, very little. So that's it. Add salt. I will allow it to cook without water for some more time so that I will get a nice brown color. I've slid the green chilies and added that too. So let it cook for some time. Pouring the water. This is curry leaf I got from my garden. So it's so fresh. I'm putting it. Now I'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. I peeled it. I'll cut it like this. All around it. So once the curry starts boiling, I'll put the egg and cook it for 2 minutes. Now I'll add in the eggs. So it's done. You can see the curry. I got the brown color that I wanted. There should be little gravy. So I think it's done. I have cleaned the kitchen slab nicely. I have poured some oil. So let me start. You can see my dough is ready. It's super soft. So let me make one for you. I'm not making it real big ball, just a normal one. Roll it as thin as possible. Take a knife and cut into small long slits like this. Pour oil and smear it well, and then add a little of flour on top of it so that they don't stick to each other. Now roll it into a fine paratha. Beat it from both sides so that the layers would come out. Hope you like the Kerala paratha and egg curry. Please like, share and subscribe Jo's World. Bye.